Hey guys, welcome to Ashley's and Ava's World. Today we are going to be reviewing Season 1 Shopkins. So here we have Tooth, and he has a little bit of toothpaste at the back. And then we have Flutter Cake. She's really cute and she has a little white dollop. That kind of looks like whipped cream. Oh, nice. And this is Yogi Yogurt. And it says yogurt at the top. Hi guys. This is Miss Mishy Moo. And she has a little blue thing at the top of her. Then this is Jelly Bee. She has lots of jelly beans inside that are pink. Next up, we have Peppy Pepper. It looks like she's sneezing in a tissue. Has a little P at the top. Pepper. Then we have Pineapple Crush. She has a little purple flower and she's yellow. Then we have Frank Fruiter. He has some lettuce and I think that's relish. And this is Season 1. And now we're going to be opening the blind bags. Okay, you're going to open the one this way. So, let's open the blind bags. Yeah. I'm feeling them. It feels like, it looks like that one has a duplicate and I know who it is. Can you open it for me? I know who that is. That's Polly Polish that Mommy's opening. It's Polly Polish. Can you help me? Oh, the blind bags are a little bit hard. Yes, she did get Polly Polish. And I already have this one. I already have this one, so this is going to be Ava's. Yeah, because I don't have it. Yeah. And next up, we have, oh, yay, the one I always wanted. And I don't know her name. Yes. She's really cute. And she's a lollipop. And Ava got an ultra rare with sparkles. Yeah. I got Lollipoppins. I got Lollipoppins. And she has a little bow and she's sticking her tongue in. She's a rare. This is an ultra rare? Yes. It's Polly Polish. And Ava got an ultra rare and hers is Polly Polish. Yeah, and it's sparkly too. It has lots of sparkles. So here is the close-up of the Shopkins that we got. Polly Polish. But this is Polly Polish. And Polly Polish. And we also got this, which I don't know what it is. And then we have a cart that came with it. And the blind bags were in the cart. I don't have one because I want it. So that's it for today. And now we're going to be doing the question of the day. The question of the day is, what is your favorite Shopkin? My favorite Shopkin was the one I got, which is Lollipoppins. It's Mine was Polly Polish. That's it for today, you guys. That's it for today, you guys. Hope you guys liked this video. Bye. Favorite was Polly Polish. Bye.